how to pay out Honeygain. First, go to Honeygain website and log into your account with Gmail and password. You can also download Honeygain application from Google Play Store or App Store. Before requesting your payout, make sure to confirm your email you'll need to receive important information. You'll need to reach the threshold of 20,000 Honeygain credits before getting your money, so make sure you have shared enough internet. Click the Request Payout button on your dashboard. Then choose the PayPal option if you want lower fees and faster transactions. We recommend selecting the Jump Tokens option. Let's get on with requesting your PayPal payout. You'll need to enter a 6-digit code. To confirm your selection, check your email inbox for the code. Enter it and verify it on your dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully requested your payout. That's it. Thanks for watching.